Hello, good evening friends. Welcome to my channel once again. Look at this beautiful bowl of salad, colorful, creamy and full of goodness. Today I am going to show you how I made this healthy salad with a secret homemade mayonnaise. First let me show you all the ingredients I used for this salad. Fresh carrots, red cabbage, red capsicum, green capsicum, cucumber, apples, grapes and all those what I am showing here one by one, and you can substitute with others also, whatever is available at your home. I am cutting a few of them here. I didn't show cutting everything, but you can chop all the vegetables and fruits into small bite-sized pieces. The sweet corn and eggs should be boiled. So here you can see I am keeping it for boiling. Now here I am cutting mushrooms and paneer as well. Now let's prepare the special healthy spread. In a pan I am adding a little butter. First I am frying some mushrooms. Then I am adding cashews, a couple of paneer pieces, 2 cloves of garlic and some flax seeds. Let everything saute nicely so the flavors come out well. After everything is sauteed well, take it out from the stove and allow it to cool. If you are new here, welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and healthy recipes. Now add the sauteed and cooled ingredients into the mixer jar and add half a boiled egg. Then add half a cup of hung curd and grind it into a smooth paste. If needed, you can add a little milk or water to it. I am roasting some paneer pieces until they turn nice and golden brown. You can see all the chopped vegetables and fruits nicely on a plate. So you can see all the colorful ingredients once again. After that, everything goes into a bowl. I am adding a little Himalayan salt and also some dates cut into tiny pieces for a little natural sweetness. Here I am adding some crushed almonds, which are healthy protein. Now comes the special part, the secret healthy mayonnaise paste. I am adding it to the bowl and tossing everything well so all the vegetables and fruits get coated nicely. And here it is, this amazing healthy salad right in front of us. You can even have this as a full meal if you are watching your weight or on a diet. It's a very healthy and satisfying option. So friends, isn't this a healthy and delicious salad? Do try this recipe at home. I am sure you will enjoy it just like I did. And if you like this recipe, please give this video a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more simple and healthy ideas. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and happy cooking.